So hello and welcome to the Data Explorers Market Update with me, Will Duff Gordon. So as you know, we hate to follow the crowd, so we won't be talking about the US and their trip to India, although I was interested to read that they're spending something like $200 million a day on the number of people surrounding President Obama on his trip to India. But that is by the by, that is not why you watch these videos. You watch these videos to hear about where the short sellers are prevalent and what's going on in the stock loan market generally. Now, we're going to talk about the Dutch equity market. We're going to go all Dutch. We have a breakfast briefing in Amsterdam next Wednesday the 17th. And there's a good old-fashioned takeover battle taking place in a Dutch company called Crucell. This is a biopharma company specializing in vaccines. And they've been bid for by Johnson & Johnson, the massive US company based in New Jersey. So far, so normal. However, short interest or amount being borrowed has just gone from 1 to 5% of Crucell shares. And there's also been some earnings disappointments. They've said that they've lowered guidance for the rest of the year, which could be another reason. So maybe some short sellers think that this deal with Johnson & Johnson isn't going to happen, or they're going to renegotiate the price, possibly. Don't know, but definitely one to watch out for, and that's Crucell. If we look at a couple of other Dutch names, we've already talked about TomTom last week. That's 10% short. Bink Bank is only 1% short now. This is an online Dutch bank, but it's been an incredible performer. And occasionally short sellers sort of have a go at it, and they aren't at the moment, although there's been a little bit of a rise. There's also a construction company called BAM Group. I wish I could give you their full name. They're called Royal BAM Group. It's 2.5% short right now, but it was as high as 15% earlier on this year, so watch out for that one. In Belgium, there's not that much going on in the securities lending, although there is a company called Agfa, where there's 15% of its stock on loan due to a private placement recently. Overall, stock lending and borrowing in Holland is about the 5th most important in Europe right now in terms of the income from lending and the balance, but that's slightly swayed by the dividend being paid by Royal Dutch Shell at the moment. 96% of the income is made from lending against non-cash collateral, but that hasn't always been the case. So that's kind of my quick run round Holland and Dutch stocks. Do tune in tomorrow, and if you'd like to read the report, it is at dataexplorers.com/news.